You want to get paid every single month on TikTok? First things first, create a brand new email. Why? Because we're about to set up a special TikTok account together, step by step. After you've created the email, make sure you have Windscribe VPN on your device. If you don't have it yet, pause real quick and download it. I've got my new email ready, the VPN is set up, so let's move on. Now let's make a quick tweak in Windscribe. Go ahead and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner, then head over to Connection. Once you're there, turn on GPS spoofing. Basically, this makes sure your device's GPS location matches the VPN location, so everything stays consistent. It's a small step, but it's really important to avoid any location mismatches later on. So now you can select the location you want your TikTok account to be in. This part matters because TikTok's monthly payments are only supported in a limited number of countries. Right now, there are just few countries that qualify, so you want to make sure you're choosing one of those. Picking the right location from the start helps you avoid issues later when it comes time to monetize. Now let's head over to our browser and make a quick change there. What you want to do is log out of the email that's currently linked to your browser, and then log back in using the newly created email. This helps keep everything clean and properly set up for the new account. This also makes sure your browser's location matches the VPN location. So once you're logged in with the new email, go ahead and type My Location into the browser. You'll notice the location shown won't be your actual local address anymore. It'll match the location you selected through the VPN. That's exactly what we want before moving forward. Now let's go ahead and create our TikTok account. Just type in TikTok in your browser, and once you're on the site, select Create Account. From there, click on Use Email or Phone Number, and we'll continue setting everything up from there. You're probably going to get a prompt asking you to continue with the app on your phone. Go ahead and deny that for now. After that, just set your birth date, and once that's done, we can keep moving forward with the setup. As you can see, the phone number option starts with +1, which is the United States. But we're not going to use a phone number here. We don't need it. Instead, just continue using the new email we created, and once you do that, you're good to go. Now go ahead and set your password. Just make sure it includes at least one uppercase letter, a number, and a symbol. Now verify your account using the code that was sent to your email. Once you enter that code, your TikTok account is officially created. After that, you can log into this account on your TikTok app. And this part is important. Don't post anything yet. Let the account sit for 2 to 3 weeks before uploading so it can properly age and stay safe. Here's where you can type in your preferred username. Don't overthink this part. You can always change it later on if you want. Once that's set, you're officially done with the setup. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. I'll be breaking down exactly how to start, grow, and monetize on TikTok the right way. Thanks for watching,
Hello.
and I'll see you in the next one.